Hey everybody, I just wanted to go over our homework for us. So here I am in our Blackboard course. We have week 1, week 2, and I'm going to come down here to week 3. I am going to click the down arrow. And then after I click this down arrow, we're going to see Tuesday's class, Thursday's class, and our week 3 homework. So I'm going to click down the down arrow for that. And when I look at what we have in the down arrow, here is the chapter 2 link. So you click into this and it's going to take you directly to chapter 2 so you can read it. Then right below that is your reading guide, and that's a document that you can download and save on your computer. Then you can answer the questions directly onto the documents. And then right here, again, where there's the little plus sign, this is where you can then load your answers for it to be graded. Okay, so that's this. There's 3 parts here for the reading guide. And then you do have, I put it in here a second time. This is also the link for the chapter while you're reading it. And embedded in the chapter are a series of quizzes that you're going to take as well. The first one is on understanding what your readers know about a topic. The second one is on connecting ideas to a larger picture. And finally, understanding the writing process. So that's pretty much it for your homework assignments. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.